Ciao! Welcome to Daily Italian with Elena. Today we're going to look at the numbers from 20 to 100. Are you ready? Let's start. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's repeat them one more time. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, how to say 21, 22, 23? Let's see that. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Always remember the accent just on the third. 23, 33, and it's gonna be a pattern for each one of the decimals. Let's also look at 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Okay, so it's always gonna be like this until 100. To see what happens to the numbers after 100, watch my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to be updated with my newest videos and keep learning with me. See you next time. Ciao!